Have you seen your friends putting stickers of their Memoji on their Instagram story and wondering how they did it? I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll show you how to add Memoji stickers to your Instagram story posts. Now let's get started. If you don't have a Memoji created yet, check out our tutorial on how to make one. We'll leave a link in the description box below. To begin, open Instagram and begin creating a story post as you normally would. You can snap a new photo or video or upload one from your device's camera roll. Normally, when you add stickers, you tap the sticker icon, but with Memoji stickers, you'll actually add them as text. Tap the text icon at the top. Now tap the emoji icon on your keyboard. Scroll all the way over to the left to access your Memoji stickers. Tap the three dots to open a larger window with more sticker options. When you see a Memoji sticker you want to add to your post, tap it to insert. You can then drag the sticker wherever you'd like and use two fingers to change the size or rotate it as you would with a normal sticker. Repeat to add as many of these stickers as you'd like to your post. That's all it takes to add Memoji stickers to your Instagram stories. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one twice a week, every Tuesday and Thursday.